Hello friends! Let's learn some colors names. Colors names in English. Orange color, brown color, black color, sky blue color, red color, green color, dark blue color, violet color, pink color, yellow color. Today we will learn lowercase alphabets. Let's get started. I'm starting with A. Yellow color. A. A for avocado. B. B for bank. C. C for cauliflower. D. D for dance. E. E for eagle. F. F for fairy. G. G for ground. Which color is this, kids? This is yellow color. Yellow. Next is H. Red color. H. H for hospital. I. I for ink. J. J for jacket. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. Which color is this, kids? This is red color. Red. Next is O. Sky blue color. O. O for octopus. P. P for pentagon. Q. Q for question. R. R for rat. S. S for sky. T. T for tissue. U. U for umbrella. Which color is this, kids? This is sky blue color. Sky blue. Next we have V. I'm using orange color. V. V for vulture. W. W for window. X. X for x-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zoo. Which color is this, kids? Orange color. Orange. Now we are going to revise them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let's match the colors. Yellow color, red color, sky blue color, and this is orange color. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe our channel. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.